Safwanas. Manufacturer and supplier. You need small quantity of production? Need customized design? Or need product development or budget price? So why late? Come to Safwanas. I am Kawsar Ahmed, owner of Safwanas from Bangladesh. We build Safwanas only for customers' choice-related products development and manufacturing. We have 18 years experience product development and making from knitting, dyeing, printing and also sewing. We support buyer to make their customs design and build their own brand. For that we support from products design to logo design, graphics design, accessories, tag, wash tag, label, bar tag, price tag, etc. I'll provide them. Basically here you get complete solution one package. We send products by door to door by Fedex, UPS, DHL, and Aramax. We proudly send products UK, USA, Australia, Japan, Philippine, Dubai, Kuwait, and Italy. Our quality. We follow actual, what is the buyer requirements. We communicate with buyer and discuss with development stage for output products. Our team follows straight about quality. We believe quality not quantity. Our products. We make all kinds of knit items, like t-shirt, polo shirt, tank top, hoodies, trouser, jogger, vest, both men's, ladies and also kids items. How to order? Select your design and send picture and quantity. We do pricing your products. Our technical team do all and discuss directly to you. We accept payment Western Union or MoneyGram money transfer, bank transfer or TT. You can make your own brand, or develop your products. Our minimum quantity 100 to 5,000 pieces. We make single jersey, PK Polo, 100% cotton, 100% polyester, CVC, cotton spandex, 140 to 220 GSM. Please, Terry Fabrics. 100% cotton, 100% polyester, CVC, cotton spandex, 250 to 380 GSM. We also do taffeta, rib, mesh fabrics, etc. Our print section do both silk screen, sublimation, and photo DTG print. We make embroidery by Japanese Tajima machine. Basically here you get all solution together. So contact us and send your requirements. We are waiting for you. Stay with Safwanas.